Hello again. Today I'm gonna show you how to write names of I know guys who hate these. I used to hate them a lot. And first thing you have to memorize the special names. Those sulfate, sulfide, chloride, perchloride, chloride, perchlorate. I mean chloride, hypochlorite, those kind of stuff. So these stuff. The professor or the future high school or college, they give you that. You have to memorize these. You have to memorize them. So there's no way out. So it's not gonna be hard. So you have to just practice. And I know it's tough because there's numbers, sub numbers, and the bottom they have numbers, so there's a lot of stuff to. God, it's like ridiculous. I'm like, if you look at it, I'm like, no, I'm gonna memorize them. But break it down, make it so easy, simple, and you're gonna know it. Now if you have them memorized, we're gonna do some practices, so just practice with me. You guys are gonna love them. We got H2SO3. H2SO3. What do you see? We see H. So what does it mean? It's acidic. So it's gonna be the name of this, and the name after it is going to be acid. So what's this right here? We have to know what's this. This too is supposed to be here. So it's SO, the original one, it's SO2, -2. So that's sulfite, because that's the least number. Sulfate, it's 4, so sulfite. So we have H. Since you see H right here in the first letter is H, it's gonna be acid. Always. So sulfite, it takes O's. Okay? 8, it's like 8 ick. 8 yucky. It's like ick. 8 ick. So just memorize 8 goes with ick. When you ate, it's like if you ate something yucky, you like ick. You say this word. So, and the other one, it's O. So once you memorize the one of them, the last one will be obvious. So sulfurous means sulfurous. So you put sulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid. So the name is sulfurous acid, because sulfite will put sulfurous. Sulfur. So we put sulfur. So what's that? There's something missing. So sulfurous. Sulfite. We write we write it as the original, and then we add O's because it's right. The next one. It's gonna be Se, which is psyllium 3. And do this. Okay. SeR3 Br2. First we see Se, it's transition. Let's see. I want to make sure. Oh no, it's non-metal. And Br, bromine. Br. It's also non-metal. So non-metal, non-metal. Can you remember the restriction for having non-metal, non-metal? We have to write the numbers before it comes number before. It's di, tri, tetra, those kind of stuff. So when it's always non-metal, was non-metal, and together two non-metals, and if we have one non-metal, I'm trying to say it fast, and with one transition, transmissional, right, okay, metal, metal, yeah, so metal, I mean, not the, sorry, it's because I'm getting some confusing. With a metalloid. Metalloid. Okay, so metal was non-metal. We put di, tri, tetra, those kind of stuff. And we, if we have two non-metals, we have that restriction. So, cilium. Do we see cilium, just one cilium, or do we see three cilium? We see three of them. So what we write is three ciliums. So tri, we don't put three cilium. It's not like appropriate, it's not professional writing. So tri cilium. Let's see if I have that right. Cilium. Selenium. I'm missing one letter. Selenium. Dibromine. See how easy? It's not hard. It just, you have to memorize just this restriction. That's all. And you're all set. Oh, by the way, I have a mistake. What is it? Bromide. So it's still with an ionic compound. So bromide. So it's triselenium bromide, dibromide. It's not just bromide by itself. So the regular name, and then we put "ide" for the next one. Always "ide." Okay. Let's do another one. They're fun. Just. You just need to get a practice. You'll be very, very quick to answer those questions. And you're not. It's like, you remember when you just learned how to type, how to memorize. It's just magic. So great. Okay, now we see potassium. That's always negative, so we don't have anything right here, so nothing cancels, so this is alright. So potassium K, so now once right here, and alright, so we write potassium. What's this? You guys have to memorize this. It's not written here. It's what chlorate oxygen. No, it's a very special name. It has a special name for it. It's called chlorate. So we got ClO negative. That's perchlorate. No, hypochlorite. Hypo means small. Hypochlorite. Right. ClO2, it's chloride. So that's the least. Hypo means least. ClO3, it's chlorate. And ClO4, it means perchlorate. So that's the maximum. Least, hypo, maximum, per. Okay, so potassium chlorate. Done. So these have to memorize. The science. You can write them. You start memorize them. If you don't have memorized, you can memorize them while I'm doing them. So you guys have to just see more videos. You have to go look at the easy, like, I think for me, I didn't sit and memorize it. I don't work like this. I have to see it. I read it at home. I'll go. Then I go to the lectures. Some of my professors, they go over some of them. They get stuck in my head. Sometimes they give you some tricks. You have to be memorizing some of them. I get it inside it in my head. Then I get practice. I do practice sheets, and then I'm cool. I didn't make it so hard on me. I didn't make it, oh, you have to study it, and I swear, and all that, so tough. It looks so tough to me. No, I make it fun. Okay, this is a special name too. It goes cyanide. So cyanate. Okay, CN by itself, it's cyanate. With S, thio. And it goes with O, I can't remember what was it, but it's something with hypocyanide. I'm not sure. So let's stick in here. It's thiol, so S thiol. So it's sodium. What thiol? Cyanide. That's it. Let's erase these. Go over the next one. And the next one, it's SMBr. Hope you guys are making it easy on you guys. So O24 Br O24. So okay, right here we got 10. Remember 10? There's a special thing about 10. We got 10-4. This 4 goes to 10. If you look at the periodic table, Sn it's in 4a, but 10 it's special. We write the numerator because it's metalloid, so it's metalloid. So always we some of the minerals, it takes its own the letter, the Roman numeral next way. So BrO2 it's bromite, so it's the least bromite. Okay, so it goes 10 what or bromide. Yeah, I got bromide. That's it. When we have chromium, silver, lead, zinc, I don't know, there's a lot of some of them I didn't list to, etc. They have a special numeral number next to Roman numeral, so you have to memorize these. So we got Mg, magnesium, CO carbonate, magnesium carbonate, CO3. Magnesium, there's 2 right here, but they canceled. So right here we got +2, we got -2. I have them. So I know there's 2 right here. I have them memorized. 32. Carbonate 32. Phosphate 43. Sulfate it's 42. So I have them this way memorized. Carbonate 32. So magnesium, everybody has their own way of learning. So magnesium carbonate, but these we don't see them because when they crisscross, they cancel each other because we reduce them. So here's it will be 1, but 1 we don't write it, so it's invisible. Okay. And then I have another waste it. They're really good. So I'm gonna write another one. Almost done. There's only 2. SF4 SF. So now we're seeing elements by themselves. They're regular elements. They're not special. S, it's sulfur, non-metal. F, non-metal. See? When you see those letters by themselves, look at the periodic table. So just make a look. What's sulfur? It's non-metal. What's fluoride? Fluorine. Yeah, sulfur. So these are non-metals, both of them. So what we use, what's the restriction of 2 non-metals, 1 metal and 1 non-metal? We have to use that tetra, di, whatever those kind of stuff. So sulfur, we have only 1 sulfur. We don't write mono. You can write it, but it's not like unprofessional. So we don't write it. We just write it in the second one. If we have mono, just mono. We don't write more, we just put the first one. You can write it.